Hello everyone. So today in this video we will see how we can fix this. There has been a critical error on this website error. So in this you will see a white dead page on website front end and also on WP admin page. So this is just conflict of coding. So the issue will 90% will be in the plugin or themes conflict. So for that we need to go to our cPanel. So make sure we have cPanel access, and if not then we can adjust with the FTP access. So we need to go to the file manager and then go to public HTML and then navigate to our website. So you can see that this is our website hr-web.xyz. So here we need to go to WP content, and then there are multiple folders like themes and plugins. So here all our themes and in plugins. So first we go and change the themes name folder name with adding a word like z, and then rename file folder. So here themes folder has changed, and now we refresh the website. So it's still same. So after that we there is no issue in the themes. So we go to plugins and rename this plugins folder as adding z, and you can see that it is changed. So now we can see that now the website is working as the error is disappeared, but a new error that theme is not exist. So this is because we have changed the theme folder name, and we can say that WP admin is working fine. So to make this front end working, we rename back the themes folder, just rename like earlier. Okay, themes, yes. So now our front end will run. Yes, it's running fine, and you can see that WP admin is already running. But in the plugin section we can see that there is a plugin, the both plugins, not both, in all the plugins which were installed in your website will be removed because we have renamed the plugins folder. So now we change the plugin name back. So when we revert the plugin folder name, all the plugins will be deactivated but installed. Yes, so here you can see that all the plugins are deactivated. So we activate them one by one to check which plugin is creating the problem. Okay, so you can see that this plugin is working fine, light speed cache, and this post SEO is yes. As soon as we activated this plugin, this problem appearing start again. Okay, so the front end is running. Yes, not, and that might be because of the cache. So we can see that we already find that the issue in that post SEO plugin. So we change the plugin folder back again name. Okay, so you can see the site start running, and we put it back as plugins. So now it will deactivate the plugins. So now we can delete this defaulty plugin. Yes, this plugin is removed now. So now our website will run fine. So you can subscribe our channel for these web development related videos and tutorials, and if you have any questions you can ask us in the comment box and we will reply to all. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our video. Thank you.